Hi, this is Jamie for GearBest. So long time no see. Because I'm actually went to Saipan for a week for my annual leave together with the Mid-Autumn Festival that we have here in China. I successfully dodged the typhoon that we have here before in the city, but unfortunately when I arrived to Saipan, it literally started raining right after that. I didn't really get tan a lot. Do you guys think I got darker or anything? I really want to get tan real bad, but I didn't get to do that. I barely enjoyed the sunlight in Saipan nor the sea. I didn't get to swim. I packed like 3 packs of swimming suit, but actually never used it. But anyway, I still had a really good time and I also really miss you guys a lot. So here I am today with supposedly the main star right here, Xiaomi Note 5. So quickly go through the specs and everything before I start thinking about Saipan again, which I already missed a lot and actually forget about the specs. This one, I don't have the package with me again, but when you make a purchase, the package contains the phone itself, right here, a back case, and a user manual, a socket, and a Type-C USB charger. So back to the phone specs itself, I'm gonna leave it here, not gonna touch it because I'm not gonna test it right now. It's powered by Xiaomi's own operating system, MIUI 9, together with Qualcomm Snapdragon, clocking in at 1.8 GHz, 6 gigs of RAM plus 64 gigs of storage that can be expanded for up to 128 gigs. So back to the screen itself, it's already bright up. It's a 599-inch full screen, very full, no more redundancy in anything at the top and at the bottom. It's the kind of screen I really like when Xiaomi decided to stick to the old-fashioned way without a notch. On top of it, it's a front camera, very nice front camera, 13 megapixel. On the back, dual rear camera, vertically positioned, which I don't like, but it's also very good. It's at 12 megapixel plus 5 megapixel for the flashlight in the middle. Finally, which is what matters the most to me, you guys should have known if you watched my review from before or you know me from my videos, it's the battery. Despite Xiaomi Note 5's very slim body right here, it's actually equipped with a 4000 milliamps of battery. Very decent for a screen size like this, for operating system like this. It's very nice, it's very well balanced out. And that's pretty much it for the spec. I'm gonna actually log in with the phone. My fingerprint is already registered. I'm gonna try the front camera, which was Xiaomi's intention, was Xiaomi's emphasis on this very specific Note 5 phone. So as I was saying before, I already registered my fingerprint right here at the back, the scanner's right here, the recognition. I'm gonna try it out. So now that it's off, I'm gonna turn it on, turn the screen on, just to make sure it's actually locked. And then it's on. Very fast speed, I'm gonna try it again. Keep an eye on this, it's on, unlocked. Very amazing. So next, I'm gonna test it out, its front camera, which supposedly has a very, very special beauty mode. I personally don't really airbrush or Photoshop my selfies or my pictures, but I think it's really nice touch that Xiaomi is providing this option to us, you know, in case you have a bad skin day, bad hair day, or like a huge pimple, you know, it's very good to have the option open. So I'm gonna pull out the camera using the front camera and try it out. There we go, okay, and it's on. It's facing towards me right now. Haha, my editor just freaked out because it was facing towards her, but it doesn't matter. So this is a regular non-airbrushed version of the photo. I'm gonna take one first. So I stand corrected for that non-airbrushed version because this is clearly not me. I'm not that bright. I do look pretty, but it's not the real me. I do look pretty. This is like the option for the original photo. To be frank, I love the way that I look in the camera, in my gallery, but then in the same time, it's kind of like, is this really me? I don't know. So, as I mentioned before, Xiaomi provides an option that allows us to alter whatever the thing that we might not want to be shown on our pictures, you know, for our Instagram, for our Facebook, for our Twitter and stuff like that. I'm gonna demonstrate the option for you by clicking on this little one thing, beauty mode. Oh, I can actually turn down the beauty mode. It doesn't really make much difference. Okay, so I can turn down the beauty mode non-beauty mode, I look like this. Without the beauty mode, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm gonna, since I'm testing out, so I'm gonna turn it up to an extreme. Advanced, what do they got? Slender. Okay. Wow, I look so surreal. Big eyes. Okay, does my eyes look bigger? Does it? Anyway, to an extreme tone. Wow, white as, wow. And smooth. Oh, it doesn't really, it's not that surreal, it's not that fake, but this is definitely not me. Smile, there you go. Okay. Oh my god, this is so surreal. Oh my god, I'm like super shocked, but this is, okay, this is amazing. Like, not that I ever use it, but those would be those kind of really great, like, Tumblr, you know, profile pictures. I mean, or I don't know, what are those online dating websites and stuff like that? God, this is, oh my god, oh my god, I'm enjoying this. I know this is not me. I'm not supposed to look like this, but you know what? You know, I'm gonna save this picture and change my profile picture, and that's it. So, I had a lot of fun in this video. I actually had a lot of fun. I love this phone. I'm really, for sure, I'm gonna keep the picture that I just tried out. And yeah, back to our main topic, the phone itself. I love it. Well, not only the camera, of course, not only the pictures, that how pretty I actually looked in the picture, but also this one costs you roughly around 200 bucks at our GearBest.com. It's a really nice deal if you're lucky. If you can find a coupon, or if it's on sale, you might get it a little bit, you know, even lower, like 10, 20 bucks lower, which is a really nice bargain. So that's it for today's video. I love this video. I love this phone. I really do hope you guys may enjoy it as well. So yeah, this is Jamie. I'll see you next time.